Hi. It's been a minute since I have made a YouTube video and also like done my hair. Clearly, you can see this mess. We're not going to talk about it. Mess. Essentially, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I haven't made up my mind yet of what I'm doing. I have two options. One is chunky highlights. It's brown, pink chunky highlights, probably pink underneath. I don't know. 40 volume developer Olaplex. We're gonna go from there. We know the drill. One slay. I'm gonna use my old scoop from Blizzy I'm Busy. So two of these. And then I'm gonna go like that much Olaplex. And just, we're not going to go all the way to the root when we touch up initially, because I'm a beauty guru and I know what I'm doing. So where do we start? Should we start here? Why am I doing this at 9:45? I work in the morning. Oh, whatever, I don't care. Oh, I do care though. Get it off. This is a super top secret cosmetologist tip, hairstylist tip for all of you at home. If you split dye or you, that was a joke by the way, I'm not a hairstylist. Before someone comes from my throat. If you're split dyeing your hair and you don't want to, or two-toning, whatever you call it, your hair, and you don't want to cross-contaminate your dyes, put a hair mask or like Olaplex or whatever on the parts that are on the edge of what you don't want the dye or the bleach to get on. That saved me when I was split dyeing my hair, because I was split dye all the way down the middle. Oh my god, that was fucking hell. Slay. Let's do it. Let's go, girls. I hate it here. Okay. Okay, hi. I have bleach in my roots. Not all the way to the root. We're waiting till this lifts a little more, and then I'll put it directly on my roots. Because I'm a hairstylist. So, not very slay of me, but I did in fact get bleach on parts of my hair that do not need bleach, and it did in fact lighten through the mask. So remember when I said I'm not a hairstylist? That tip is kind of out the window. I think that tip only works with dye and not bleach. I can't stop saying slay. Like I said, I started saying it ironically, now I'm saying it unironically, and it's become a problem. Embarrassing. Kind of anti-slay that I say slay unironically. Anyway, hi gamers. Are we? We are zoomed out. Back the fuck up. I started this process 2.5 weeks ago, and then I got COVID. So, I had to take an intermission. My roots started growing out again. So I bleached it again. So I don't know how this is gonna go, because I have accidentally bleached this part when doing this before, so we'll see how this goes. Might not be well, probably won't be well. Anyway, now how are we gonna do this? Bottom first? Oh, you don't belong here. Sure, that's... See it? It's... Who gives a shit? Okay, about that close to the root, and then we'll do the root maybe a little closer. Why do I have a widow's peak? What the fuck? We doth hath bleached. And then now I kind of wanted to bleach the underneath layer too, so we're gonna do that, I guess. Sectioned my hair, and now I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do this side first. I was talking about that before. leave this on for a few minutes longer, I guess. I may have forgotten to film. I finished this. There's no product in right now, so it's kind of a shit show, but then the underneath layer, it's, I don't know. I know it looks like shit. We're gonna choose to ignore that. Now it's time to add streaks. This is gonna be so bad. Okay, so I look like a toilet scrubber. Get the fuck out of my way. I'm so sick of this. I'm so sick of doing my hair. I would simply like it to be done. This is staying blonde. This is getting dyed brown. And then this will be the other pink. That. Yeah. So, okay, start with that. We'll do closer to the roots in a minute. I hate it here. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for 5 minutes maybe, and then go closer to my roots. I hate it here. Yeah, that's how it's looking. Maybe I'll start doing this now. I did a piss poor job at putting the bleach on. I don't give a shit because I am gonna go over everything with brown dye anyway, so who cares? That's how that went. Yeah, it's literally orange right now. Ew, okay, so my roots are yellow, as expected, and the parts it's orange. So, but yeah, that's how that's looking right now. I'm gonna bleach it again tomorrow. So it's been a while since I updated. My roots had actually grown out a bit, so I had to do them again. So they're kind of yellow. I made the streaks here. Ooh, this is a mess. Ooh, this is a mess. Ooh, this is not good. Looks like that. It's like orange, so I need to bleach it again. Then I did do one back. I know this looks a mess. I can't see it, but I know it's a mess. I did a streak here. Slay! My Cindy Lou Who slay. This is all the orange that I need to get to this color. I'll say a prayer real quick, because that's not going to happen. There's a whole section here that should be this. Should have been... Not my fucking problem. It is my problem. It's my hair. It's on my head. But not my problem. Not using gloves. Because I don't respect myself. And I'm only going to where the orange is, which is about there. And then I'll go closer to the roots later. I'm a professional, by the way, obviously, so I go back and forth between saying I'm not a professional, don't listen to me, and I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing. It's up to you to decide which one I'm serious about. Judging by how I'm doing this, I think you can figure it out. Why am I low battery? Oh my god, I'll kill myself. Slay! Okay. I'll check in when I'm adding bleach to my roots, or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just check in when it's time to tone. Okay, hi gamers. This is where we're at. I bleached it a couple times to get to the blonde that I have. Next step is taking some of this and making it brown. So we see the vision, right? I need to make this brown, you know? I look a mess. Basically I sectioned my hair and put a hair mask on. Oh, it's under here too. You can't fucking see. But yeah, everything else, dyeing it brown. I have Wella light ash brown, and then I have medium ash brown, so I mix them to dye the blonde parts, and then the rest of my hair I'm dyeing just light ash brown because I don't want my hair super dark brown. I just don't want it this like warmish color. Every time I try to dye my hair brown, something goes wrong. So let's hope that nothing goes wrong and things go smoothly. Let's manifest. This is risky business to be doing at, what time is it? 10:23 the night before I work. So I'll appreciate my absolutely colossal sized balls, because I have huge balls for doing this. I'm braver than the Marines. This is a known fact. Oh no, I cut her in the wrong fucking part again. Cardigan? Stream Cardigan by Taylor Swift. I did my roots shittily and I don't know if I did it right, so now we're just kind of going to town with this. I don't know, I don't care. I ran out of fucks to give about my hair, I think. That's not true. I ran out of most of my fucks to give about my hair. Oh, I don't think I made, no, I think I, come shot. I fear this is not going well because, as you can see, the blonde is like gray. And then everything else looks black. What if I was suicidal? Did they ever consider that? No, this is where we're at. It's a mess, but we're doing pink because I want to get this over with. The sexual tension between me and biting things off instead of using my hands. We'll start with that much. This smells nice. So, start with that much. I'm not sectioning my hair because I don't give a shit. So, oh, maybe this will be a good pink. Oh, fuck if I know. Oh, this is a nice pink. It better come out looking like this or I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Oh, get out, bitch. Get out, bitch. I could have sectioned my hair, but I didn't. And I'm gonna be like, why is it so streaky tomorrow? And it's like, maybe because you're a fucking moron. Oh no, if it isn't the actions of my own nope. If it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Pretend like I said that the first time. Oh no, that's too dark. Whatever. Who gives a shit? You're dyeing your hair in your basement at 11 p.m. on a Monday night. You don't have standards. Get up there, slag. Decided that I want to use the word slag more. I say more like I even use it at all before, but that's the thing. So I want to use it. And now we wait, and I'll let it not process. Process isn't the word because this is literally just like conditioner. I'm gonna let it marinate. We're gonna choose to ignore the fact that I look actually insane. I did my makeup. So, yeah. So this is the makeup. We're gonna choose to ignore it. Also I bleached my eyebrow. Hello? Bleached my eyebrows. They look like shit and I hate them. But I had to do my makeup before I dyed them. This is how it looks. I'm gonna take these down. It's gonna be hell and horror. My hair is so dirty. Let's see. I look like a fucking clown. But this is how that turned out. I don't know if you can even see the pink in the back, but the dent, I can see it in the mirror next to me. The dent is so fucking bad. Underneath is pink. So yeah, a lot of pink. When I put it up, it's mostly pink. But yeah, maybe I should have looked not disgusting to end this video so that you could be like, oh wait, it turned good. Reminder that I am very obviously, shut up. I am very obviously not a hairstylist. So there's a lot wrong with this. Please don't take tips from it. Would you? Someone kissing my ass right now in my DMs. enough. Yeah, so anyway, if you like the no eyebrows is just so make sure you like and subscribe. I put out new videos whenever it's convenient for me, which isn't very often for the people who care. No one. My septum is fine. I had no complications. Actually, well, I did have complications only because I like touched it so much, so it got irritated. But yeah, so bye. Ew, did you hear my ankles? Wrists crack? What am I, 85?